Good morning. We just woke up in Moab, Utah with my Harley Hog and my Harley Hog. It's a beautiful day. It is day 3 of our girls' Sturgis Ride 5-day trip, 1,500 miles, 8 women, 8 Harley Davidsons. And look at this view! Are you kidding me? The views have been incredible. The women have been incredible. Hey, there's pretty mama. Jamie back there. You guys hungry? Is it time for breakfast?
I'm starving.
Yeah, let's load up and go. Bring this big heavy bag out. Doing tapping.
And her brain is like the vision of why you got into this body in the first place and like pulling you back into that vision.
Okay, so these two chicks just got back from, where did you go?
We went to Dead Horse State Park and Canyonlands.
And you got up at what time?
6. Yeah. So worth it.
They were like, who wants to get up at 6? And 2 out of the 8 of us went, so. 3? Oh, because Brandy went too.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we know who the early birds are of the trip.
I'm not.
Just worth it. Oh, hey! Good morning. How was your ride?
It was beautiful.
Yeah, worth getting up early for?
It was mind-blowing, like 10 out of 10 for sure, but I can't even describe how pretty it was.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to steal some of your footage to make us jealous here. We'll put that there.
When you get done, come back. So I want to get Jamie, I want to get a picture like this of all of us.
Okay. Jamie, what were you doing earlier?
Tapping techniques.
What's that?
So I talked to a couple of girls this morning, but I have a Mind Body Moto business where I help women regulate their nervous systems and process unfinished business, or just tap into your body's innate wisdom to heal itself. Like Krista is from Canada and she's super moist and she's in the desert where it's super dry. So her body's like drying out and she was having nosebleeds this morning. So we just did a quick tapping session to help her tap back into her body's innate resources to heal herself, and her nose stopped bleeding after like 20 minutes.
That's amazing, and that's stuff you only get on girls' trips, yo.
Right?
Ain't no boys doing tapping sessions. Jamie actually helped me through a panic attack the first day, so Jamie is our healer of the group. All right, let's pack up and go now that we got the other girls back. Oh my goodness.
All the things.
Was I leaving stuff?
Leaving all the precious things.
Oh no. Oh no. Thanks, bro.
You just missed the full power.
You get a tampon and you get a tampon and you get a tampon for everybody. Make it rain. Make it rain. Law firm, your trusted wingman on the road. Okay, we just got to breakfast in Moab. Yeah. We are at the Moab Garage, which is a motorcycle themed. Is it motorcycle themed?
Yeah, Moab Garage Co. Moab Garage Co.
I think
Yeah. You get it. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, pardon me. Ooh, cute. Somebody just told us this used to be an actual garage. You doing some shopping?
I am actually.
Gonna get your boo some stuff?
That's if she's good.
If I remember correctly, there's a motorcycle hanging from the ceiling in the back.
Whoa. I think we're all sitting back here. Yes. There's a motorcycle hanging from the ceiling.
Actually, the owner, Ryan and Aaron. Ryan is a really big motorcycle.
Yes.
Could have guessed.
Yes.
Could have guessed. Big motorcycle guy. We love that. Cheers. Ooh, I dropped avocado. Jamie and I are splitting a Sando.
Massive avocado.
Cortado.
Oh!
I didn't get that
All right, they're doing that trend where you just, oh, sorry, guys, go on through. Guys, we're blocking the door. Sorry. That trend where you just, what is this trend?
Okay, Instagram trend that you get good pictures if you hang out with your group and kind of like trot and smile, but it doesn't work when you have too big of personalities.
Oh, so it doesn't work for us?
It doesn't work for us.
Oh. What happened to act natural? Doesn't work with too big of personalities, she said. All right, we got to get on the road. None of us know where our next stop is except for Ashley because she's the one that does the spreadsheet. So, mystery stop, let's go. And then it was about to whip out my chicken cutlets, you guys. I almost lost my chicken cutlets.
Oh my gosh!
The wind! That was definitely the most challenging part for me so far, just like holding on.
She did it! She did it!
She did it! I know, you're like back there like, are you okay? I'm like, I got this. We got some more Are you guys going to Sturgis? Are you seeing that bike?
On the app?
Huh?
On that app, everybody going to Sturgis?
Yeah.
I seen that bike. I recognize it as soon as you
Oh,
pulled in.
yeah. What's your name?
Tom Wilson.
Tom Wilson, Cody. Nice to meet you.
Where y'all from?
I came out from LA. A lot of the girls are Vegas. We got a Canadian with us. So, what about you guys?
West Virginia.
West Virginia. Like that song, Country Roads, Take Me Home. So cool. Say hi to YouTube. Hi. We got something for you guys.
This from Lifestyles. If you follow the directions on the back, you get $25 automatically off of their online store. If you take a picture and post it, you could win $100. So you just got hogged by Lifestyle Cycles.
And Pretty Mama. Shameless plugs.
Pulled in, I noticed that. But I said, I seen that bike last night. Them girls are going to Sturgis.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Follow along.
You know.
Oh wait, I got stickers too. Will you hold this for a second?
Yeah.
All kinds of goodies.
All kinds. Oh no, I need to bring it up. You gotta split it. There you go.
We know you guys want to keep in tabs on us. Make sure you know where we are, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay, well, we'll see you again then.
We're going to Cody now. We'll be at Sturgis there about Tuesday.
Okay, well, we'll see you on Tuesday.
We'll see you at Sturgis.
Cool.
Yes.
Yeah, definitely need some water. Ash, how you feeling?
Good.
Good.
Ready to relax in some springs.
Yeah, we're in Glenwood Springs, baby, at the Maxwell Anderson Hotel. Is where we're staying?
We're staying here.
We're staying here, yay! Ooh, water! Hell yeah, thanks, dude. Gotta stay hydrated, and everyone is so good at helping each other. It's so nice. I didn't realize I've been to Glenwood Springs before. I've been to these hot springs after snowboarding with my friend Oscar. Maybe I'll be the leader. All right, let's go check into our hotel. Can we just talk about how shredded everyone in our crew is? Look at those abs, dude. Look at those abs. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Look at this badonkadonk. Look at mine. Mine's all sore from my Sportster. If I had that, I could ride way further, you guys.
Who has the hottest bike?
The what?
The hottest bike.
The hottest
How do you
bike?
define hot? Like
Yeah,
whose
like temperature?
bike is overheating?
That's the engine.
Yeah.
Probably the 40.
Yeah.
Yeah, my Sportster's probably the...
It's been running 90 miles per hour.
Yep, she's gurgling oil like it ain't no...
I had 3 Harleys.
Nice.
And I sold one.
Oh, damn.
Aw.
Yeah, when you get close to 75, it's time to sell.
Oh, well, no way, dude.
Yeah.
Or get another one. That's cute.
It was cute.
I love it when people talk to us about their bikes.
I had a Harley.
Back when I had a Harley.
Back in my day.
I don't know about you, but I'm gonna be still riding bikes at 75.
Dude, I know a guy that rips. He goes across the country, goes down to Mexico. He's all the way in Alaska. He's 72 years old on an FXR.
Badass, dude.
All the time.
That's gonna be us. I'm gonna be wrinkly AF riding my Harley. Boobies in the air back here. Woo!
I was sued one time because I hit a pedestrian.
Oh my god. No, I got it. Thank you, though. That's very sweet of you. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty in here. Guys, this might be too classy for us. Don't tell anyone.
You're gonna make us stay in a room.
Do we all fit?
Floor are we going to?
Number 2.
Okay, see you there.
Bye. A team's in the elevator.
Bye.
B team's out.
So cool.
Whoa.
Wait.
Who knew that the first time we were gonna get lost would be at the hotel, not on the road? What's up? Is this the cool people room? The party people room. This is my bunkmate.
Yay! For the third night in a row.
Yes. And we have a view of the lobby, and we're gonna creep on people tonight. Maybe scare them. Maybe flash
Let's
them.
play a game of lobby bingo.
Ooh, like
Like a bald man, like the top of a bald head.
Ugh.
You get a stamp, you see?
If a kid picks his nose, you have to take a water shot.
Yeah, that'd be fun.
Water shot because we got lots of sober people in this room. Alrighty, we are headed to the Glenwood Hot Springs.
Oh, beautiful.
Yes, we're all walking and we're all on our phones because it's our first time to catch up on some social media and work, and we all have like a bazillion cool jobs. A lot of us run our own companies. Like this one back here runs Della Crew, and she's a stunt performer.
Follow me. What do you say? Subscribe now. Smash that. Yeah.
Smash that ass and that subscribe button. Krista started the first all-female Harley-Davidson stunt team. What a badass.
That is true. Check us out, Della Crew Co.
Woo woo! This is where we're going. Okay, we're all so ready to get in the frickin' pool. Look at how pretty this walk is. Brandy and I, of course, are working while we are walking. Will we put our phone down when we're on the hot tub? Find out. We made it to the Glenwood Hot Springs. Brandy's got a cute butt, both Brandy's. Alrighty, we're walking into the Glenwood Hot Springs. I feel like a creep for filming people in swimsuits. I apologize to everybody on camera that's not in our group. Only 100,000 people are gonna see this. The good kind or the bad kind?
Good kind.
Oh! Alright, let's go find a hot tub. The view while you hot tub. This place is huge. Grab your tubes. Everybody get in their tubes. Go down the slide. Oh boy. So everyone cutting out over here looks fucking miserable and cold, so I offered to hold all the stuff. Someone's gotta hold the stuff and film, so I'll do it. Are you guys excited? Woo! Woo! All right, I'll see you on the other side. Hilarious, dude. Is that fun, you guys? Is that fun? Bye, Krista!
How did I get last? I went down first.
Okay, girls had so much fun on the slide. Now everybody's cold. Now we're running to the hot springs. Running to the hot springs.
Okay, we're Brown
This way.
that way?
Yes. This way.
It's on me or you? It's on me. It's on you.
You're cracking me up, dude.
I'm sorry.
Let's go get in the cold one. And then back in the hot tub. No, you gotta film my butt getting it. Oh, okay. Okay, so you guys are badass in here. Look at these guys. These guys are just chilling. That's freezing. Okay, we're getting back in the hot tub.
You got your phone in your hand.
Oh, it's really hot now. Okay, we did it. Yay. Thanks. Alrighty, we are going to dinner.
Yummy.
Place is so cute. It's such a cute little town. And we're starving. Really work up an appetite riding them bikes.
It's so good.
What'd you get?
Something's going. Crab cakes.
Crab cakes. Shannon.
Salmon.
Gappy. Gappy. What do you get, girl? Filet. Ooh.
You did it.
This one's excited for whole grains and french fries.
Burger.
Burger. I got a kid's pasta because I'm 5 years old. So good. The window opens up into the foyer. Wait, what's this called?
Yeah, the foyer, but that's not the fucking problem. The problem is the staircase right here that people were coming down while you drop your drawers.
Oh, yeah, we're all delirious. We made it back to the room and we all have so much work to do because we all just, run our own companies and stuff. So we're going to drop footage and go to sleep, and we'll see you guys tomorrow on the road for day 4. Stay tuned.
Woo!